Yon. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone here. Thank you for everyone. Hi for people. Hi John. Hi Cheryl. Looking great as usual. Thank you, John. John. Thank you for the heart. Oh. Thank you for the likes. Maybe my love will come back. Thank you for the likes. Someday, only heaven knows. Baby, I hope to find it is. Only heaven knows. Cold, like cold. I feel cold. Show me your parcel. Parcel. The parcel. So, so how have you been? Like, I don't know how to. Like, like, Avoid osteoporosis. Let's go. You should take the top off first. No, no joke. Hello, pretty lady. Hi, Gally. Let's go up. Should I take it out? Wait. Maybe. Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, I got headache because I have I thought that how it works. Yeah, yeah, that's how it works. Because of the that's how it works, but not. Yeah, yeah. Hi, poets. Thank you for joining me again. Oh my god. Thank you for the likes. I feel sleepy. Um, are you tired, Cheryl? Yeah, I'm tired. No, can't sleep well. Hi, Joey. Joey Hoppy. Where are you from, Joey? Maybe you rest there. Dear. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Thank you for the heart. Give the heart. USA. Where are you in USA? Where are you in USA, Joey? Georgia, welcome, Joey from Georgia, USA. Thank you for joining here. I'm from Philippines. Hello, my love. Dennis William. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes. I know I'll never love this begin. Hold on. I love this. I fell sleeping. I know. Want to sleep now. Oh, yawning. Oh, baby, we'll never come back someday. Only. What do you mean, Fernando? Fernando, what is your message? What is your comment? I don't understand. Where are you from? What is your language? Thank you for the likes. If people likes, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. 10 million here now. Julie does ask what part of USA. He said Georgia. Guys, he said he's he's from Georgia. Thank you for watching everyone here. Thank you so much. Okay, sorry I don't see it. Sorry, it's fine. It's okay. Maybe we'll never come back someday. Only I know. Fernando, what do you mean? I don't understand. Ryu Pangetsu Pangetsu Pangestu. Wow. Why wow? Why wow? Baby, thank you for likes. Thank you for 15 people. Hello, pretty. After a long time listening. Huh? Thank you, Simran. Simran. Are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Where are you from? I'm tested. I'm from Philippines. Joseph Mother. You just double tap the screen with my tip. Thank you, Joseph Mother. Thank you so much for support. Someone Pinay, yes. I'm from Pinay. You speak in Tagalog, yep. Yes, I speak Tagalog. Nagsasalita ng Tagalog, Bicolana.
Guys, nagulat ako. Ako na nagsisitsik. Sabi ko na, nagahado ko na ako kanina pa. Sabi ko, sino nagsisitsik? Oh my God. May suling naman. Sabi ko, may suling na. Baby. Nagsisitsik na. Gulang-gulang talaga. Yes. Hello, I'm speaking Tagalog. Hi, hello everyone. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Hello everyone. Tutuling. Ganda-ganda talaga ng aming didi. So beautiful in my life. Yun tayo eh. Yun tayo. Actually, go home. We're gonna go sa inyo. We need to go home na. Gulo-gulo matang namin.
Tahimik.
No money. Bawal. Hindi ka naman famous. Saludos din de Republica Dominican para una. What it means? Hi from Australia, Edie. Edie from Australia. I'm from Indonesia. Ryuk from Indonesia. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Guys, speak English or important. I fell. Come back, only heaven knows, and maybe a home to find. Only heaven knows. All I can do is begin what it means. Cuando está Tandela. This is how the whole series gets better. And all I can do is open Thank you for the likes. I warned him. Meron Maya. What Maya? Pay Maya. Thank you for the likes. Cause it's breaking my heart. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. To find a way. under his home. While what does it make me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you for 10 people. Ouch. Oh my god. Thank you for enjoyment. I wonder where Holden has been. Holden, Holden or Golden. Thank you for the likes, Golden. Where's Golden? Thank you for 19 people. Maybe my love will come back someday. So it's gonna be a bad week for Lithuania because Thanksgiving is on the 27th and a lot of people travel. A lot of people travel. Why? It's gonna be a bad week. Ah, okay. I do live in a few minutes. I am the live in a few minutes. Guapa Shell, hi Ryan. To go to family that are out of town. Ah, okay. Thank you for joining, Sir Ryan. Guapa. Guapa. I want massage. You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Ryan. Did Typhoon affect where you live, Cheryl? Uh, yeah. Typhoon affect here where I live. Some home totally damaged. They destroyed from the typhoon. But we're lucky because we're safe here. but some not good. Mm, mostly loss of electricity. Yeah, yeah, electricity because of the post connecting the electricity. Nagniningning ang Pilipino sa mga Thank you for watching, everyone. Hello, girl. Hi, Rafael. Yes, thank you for watching. Well, hopefully that's the end of Typhoon. Philippines been hit so hard. Yes, yes, Ryan. Always having a typhoon here. Expecting another 5 typhoon here in the Philippines, or maybe it's only 4 before end the year of 2025. Thank you so much for it, people watching here, and for the likes. Magniningning ang Pilipino. Thank you for the 9 likes. What's your favorite Filipino dessert? Uh, Filipino dessert. I love anything will be flavored. Me, I like fruits. Dessert fruits. Hi, Sheryl Myung. Hi, Myung. Thank you so much for joining 2 people here. Thank you for the 13 likes, 14 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone here. Akala mo ay di kita iniibig. Ibig. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want to hear with me now. I know that the love is gay. Waiting to tell you. I will be back. I am the live now. 'Cause I'm sleep early. I tomorrow morning I will do Zumba. Early morning. Bye everyone. Thank you for joining. I love you all. Bye.